Building on over 130 years of experience tackling the world's challenges, GE Vernova is uniquely positioned to help lead the energy transition by continuing to electrify the world while simultaneously working to decarbonize it. Nowhere is that vision more powerful than in harnessing the wind itself. Imagine a world where the very air we breathe to power our homes, our gadgets, and our lives without ever running out. Sound like science fiction? Think again. Welcome to the incredible world of wind energy. Ready to be blown away? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the difference between traditional energy and renewable energy, such as wind energy. For over a century, much of our energy has come from fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These resources are powerful, but they're limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. Renewable energy, on the other hand, comes from natural sources that never run out and are free to use, like the sun, water, and wind. Wind energy is a fantastic example of this. It's cleaner, it's limitless, and it's better for our planet. And with the help of modern technology, we can capture that invisible power and turn it into electricity. A wind turbine may look simple from far away, but it's an incredible machine. A wind turbine has several key parts. At the top, you'll see the blades. These blades are massive, and they can be up to 100 meters long. That's bigger than the Statue of Liberty. When the wind blows, it hits the rotor blades and makes them spin. The blades are connected to the hub, and together they form the rotor. When the wind blows, the rotor turns. Wind turbines are remarkably smart, featuring AI and advanced technology that allows them to rotate into the wind and can even protect themselves during severe storms. Inside the big box at the top, called the nacelle or machine head, there's a system of gears and a generator. Here's where the mechanical energy from the turning rotor is turned into electrical energy. But how does this electricity get to your home? The electricity travels down through the tower, into cables underground, and eventually into the power grid, bringing sustainable energy to our homes, schools, and communities. Every time you flip a light switch, charge your phone, or string a movie, wind energy may be part of the reason it works. At GE Vernova, we're not just engineering wind turbines, we're electrifying to thrive and decarbonize. The world needs us to accelerate the transition to a more reliable, affordable, and sustainable energy. Together, we have the energy to change the world, and that's the power of wind.